First, align the mounting base plate to ensure that its position does not affect the operation of the control lever. Then bring the motor over to compare the installation position, ensuring the motor's swing arm stays as parallel to the control lever as possible. After selecting the position, mark the installation position with a marker. Install the motor assembly. Connect the main unit and the motor according to the numbers. Connect to 24V or 12V power supply. Set the stroke range of the motor arm to match that of the control lever. To start setting, press and lock the emergency stop button and toggle the switch to the lock position. Turn on the power switch. The signal light and power light will flash simultaneously, indicating that it has entered engineering mode. Then, press the engine stop key twice. Press it quickly twice. The display on the data transmission unit will show 02 that it is entering this stroke acquisition mode. Push the control lever to the maximum and minimum positions in turn. Press this engine stop key. Press and hold for 6 seconds and release. The data transmission unit will display 66, indicating the stroke range is successfully set. Release the emergency stop button. Turn to unlock. And give it a try. Matching successful. This is the throttle control unit suitable for EFI engine vehicles. This is the original vehicle's pedal plugs. The installation method for the throttle control unit is to unplug this connector and then connect the throttle control box to both ends of the disconnected pedal. Connect the male and female plugs to each other respectively. Installation complete.